can't spell success without you. PowerPlan Project presents
your questions, our answers. Does the We Can't Spell Success Without You PowerPlan book replace the diabetes type 2 medication?
The first thing I want to say about the PowerPlan book and diabetes type 2 is that the book is 100% natural and it's going to work for just about everybody, regardless if you just want to improve your health, escape diabetes type 2 or lose weight. I am confident on that. However, the book does not replace any form of medication, including diabetes type 2 medication, in any way, shape or form. The only way you can escape medication is simply by speaking to your doctor and coming off it very, very controlled. I am not a doctor, I am just a guy who's got an idea to improve health and, make your life better, the viewer. But do not think is that anything given on this channel is medical advice. It's just sharing a brand new idea with 100% ways of doing things. And yes, you could argue we've got the liver tonic, which is a capsule that you can take, but that is now 100% organic, 100% natural, and it only contains, in effect, herbs, flowers. But it works. It does work. So never ever stop taking or adjust medication without your doctor's say so, review and advice.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.